Class, we will be doing the third one, which is pineapple and ginger. Okay, so here is our ginger. Yes. So somehow, is that so? No, it's not going to be much. Yes. So you can use a whole ginger, but what I have here is not a whole ginger. It's just half of a whole ginger. So you can use a whole ginger, then and a half slice of pineapple. Okay. So when you blend this, it's going to be a spicy. It's going to be like a spicy smoothie because of the ginger. So the first thing I'll add to my blender is the ginger. You can see smoothie is just a simple thing. Even a child of 8 years can do it. Yes, pineapple and ginger. So it's a spicy smoothie because of the. I say even a child of 8 years can make a smoothie for lunch in school. You understand? It's good to be doing smoothies at home. So you cut your pineapple into sizes and add them to the blender. Then adding of yogurt is optional. Okay? It's no more not natural. That's why we mentioned it from the onset that adding of milk and yogurt, some people wouldn't want to patronize it because they want to have their drink as natural as it is. Okay? So, and even when you want to make use of yogurt, you are advised to use a Greek yogurt because it doesn't have sugar. The sugar it has is a natural sugar called what? Lactose. All right, that is sugar like glucose. Okay. So that's why you are advised to make use of a Greek yogurt. So don't make use of a sweetened yogurt when making your smoothie. So, but like I said, I'm not adding yogurt this time. I'm blending just the pineapple and the ginger together. But then I'll have to add some cube of ice to make it chilled. Okay? So nobody wants to drink. Not everybody wants to drink a warm smoothie. Just a few eyes anyways, not much. Remember, when you are making food or drink, you don't talk over it, but because we are teaching, we have to talk. So now I've added some cube of ice. So you just blend the whole thing together. You see the reason why it's stopped? Because I didn't cut it into a good size. You're supposed to cut it into more like cubes. All right? Otherwise, they'll get stuck. So it's smooth enough. Then you pour into your glass cup. So I'll be garnishing with pineapple stock. I'll be making use of a pineapple stock, man. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pour it there. So you can now go and rinse it. Yes. Yes. So I'm garnishing with a pineapple stock or leaf, whichever one you call it. But I have to use what is from a pineapple to garnish. So this is how I garnish my pineapple smoothies. Yes, I'm done. And here you have your smoothies. So these are the three smoothies we made for today. The banana peanut smoothies, the watermelon pineapple smoothies, and then the pineapple ginger smoothies. Yep.